What's up guys, just a quick video to show you how to prevent the black screen on OBS Studio. I had this problem myself when I first started using the program, and now I'm going to show you how to fix it because it's very irritating, but it's so easy to fix. So what you want to do is go to display settings, and then you want to go to graphics settings. Next you want to have desktop app in here, and then you want to go to browse. Once you go to browse, you want to go to OBS 64, as you can see the 64-bit version, that's what I'm using for myself. And then you just click on it, and then once you click on it, it will be here. And then the next thing you want to do is go to options, and make sure it's on power saving and not high performance. Once you've done that, click save, back out, and obviously as you can see I've already got mine up and running. So here, that's it. That's all you have to do guys. I hope this video helps you because it helped me. So yeah, if you like this, please comment and subscribe. Thank you guys. Take care.